And what we can do now, I'm going to show you how to create different variations. So if I just hold Alt and select the artboard tool in the bottom left corner, select that. And what I can actually do is select everything on my artboard. If we go to color, color guide, click this little color wheel in the bottom right. And it should load up with the box, and what we can do now is recolor our artwork. So you can see we've got a few different palettes here. If I go click on this original one we had, and if I go and click this little button here, it's going to switch around the colors. So it's going to replace colors that we already have, and it's going to replace it with the new ones in our groups on the right. So you can see that we can create some awesome palettes. Even using the same colors and just switching them around, you can get different looks. If you want a darker and a lighter palette, or even this one here, might look alright. Try and find colors that have contrast because it might look a bit muddy. So you can see some of these situations are not really looking that good. Yeah, they look pretty ugly. Maybe even just sticking with like 2 colors, keeping it real simple, real raw. So it's just about playing around with it.
Luego puedes simplemente hacer clic en OK cuando hayas terminado.
So you can press OK,
Así que
and then
puedes
just
hacer
press
clic en
no.
OK y luego haz clic en No. Así es como puedes
That's how
crear
you can
alguna
create some
paleta
quick palettes if you
rápidamente. Si no
don't
te gusta
like
la
the
versión
original one
original.
you want.
Y ahí lo tenemos.
And there we
Ya
have
hemos
it. So
creado
we've done
esto
that,
y ha
and
quedado
it's
fenomenal.
awesome.